Hello family, and welcome back to a new analysis video. In today's video we'll be discussing JASMY and its tokenomics and its price action that currently has been happening. There's has been a lot of potential in JASMY right now since there's a lot of bullish momentum going on with the project, and overall a lot of movements and potentially a lot of upside for it as well. If you like these types of analysis, please like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, JASMY here. Okay, one day. All right, let's take a look at what's happening. So if I zoom out, we can see that we rallied up to the 0.3641 as its all-time high. And as we can see as well, currently at the one day, we have had a momentum of bullish here. And if I draw my lines, have in mind that we are also oversold at these levels here, and also at the Bollinger Bands, it's oversold, and it's at the outside of Bollinger Bands. So usually when this happens, there could be a retracements that happen, and I just want to take a look at this as well. But with the amount of bullish momentum that's happening right now, I believe with JASMY, it can also have an upside potential in it. But if we take a look, there's several things that could happen here at the one day. So this could be a break and a retest, even though we are oversold and also overbought with the Bollinger Bands. So if I draw my lines here, this could be a potential where it's breaking out of the zone. As we see, it broke out of the zone, and it's now coming to a retest, and we could potentially see an upside here at the levels of hopefully, if I zoom out, we could see a potential level to the 0.20 cents, but this is gonna take a while, okay? But if we do see this bullish momentum here, it's actually breaking some zones that we would like to see happen, okay? So for the one day, I could also see it reach these levels here at the 0.0674, and hopefully we're able to rebound off of this at the one day and have some bullish momentum, okay? And hope that we just continue rallying up and moving sideways in the next couple of days for JASMY, even though we are overbought. But I still do believe that with the amount of investors and everything that's going on for the project, we could see some potential uprise, and hopefully trade in these zones here and potentially go to the 0.0704. And let's take a look at the 1 hour here. So 1 hour is very interesting actually, because we can see that price has been in these zones for the 1 hour, and we've also been in the range market for this couple of time. And as we can see, price has been in this momentum in the trend here at the sideways level, okay? We've tried to break that level outside several times, as we can see here. We tried to break it the first time, which was at 0.0483, and we tried to break it again, which wicked up there at the levels of 0.0465. So this has been a retest, and it tried to break the resistance, as we can see, but it failed. So just have that in mind, that we could potentially be seeing a retracement for the 1 hour back to these levels here, and hopefully we could be breaking out of it. I don't want to see a wick that's just breaking, because that's bearish momentum, and the bearish is coming in, and the bears are coming in and bringing the price down. As we can see, price has rallied back down, and it's in the range, okay, of the Bollinger Bands as well. But what I'd like to see for 1 hour is for it to break and touches this zone here at the 0.0465, and then continue its rally up. And hopefully, as we can see, this could be a support level here, which it can test back. Hopefully, if there's a pullback, and then we see price continue back up to these levels at the 0.0459, and hopefully we don't see a retracement out of these zones, and where it would retest as a resistance, and then dropping back down at these levels here at the 0.0303. So hopefully that doesn't happen. There has been a lot of bullish momentum here, as you can see, but we are currently trading in the zones. So I wouldn't be surprised if price does rally back up but also keep in mind that once we were oversold several times here, which happened, we saw price going back down. And keep in mind as well, divergence. So there's a diversion here, as we can see in the RSI. There was a big diversion. So keep in mind that once that happened as well, divergence are a key indicator that price will go back down in this case, since it was oversold. And we also saw a double top here, as we can see. So keep that in mind. We also have it here at the RSI, and also the levels I drew out. There was a double bottom, which price indicated a signal for the bulls to come in and bring price back up at its premium at 0.0459. I hope you found value in this analysis, and I'll make sure to update you guys on the next videos and next analysis. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And without any further ado, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.